Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia, with closing commodity commentary for Friday. It's about 3:20 Eastern Time. This will be sort of abbreviated, I suppose. We finally made it to the holiday weekend. Markets for the last 2 or 3 days have done a lot of back and filling. That is to say, no one really wanted to make a major commitment to any of the markets because of several factors. One, of course, being the weather. A second primary factor would be maybe the situation in Syria with a 3-day weekend. Who knows what this administration is planning on doing? And so people elected to simply vacate positions. Cotton had a very strange day today. We went out and made new lows, and then about mid-morning we shot up all the way back up nearly to 84.5 cents before settling slightly higher on the day. Of course, cotton's had such a big, tumultuous decline in the month of August. There are those that think September might bring a better attitude. I don't know about that. I would suspect we're going to continue to chop sideways as we're entering the harvest seasonal, which tends to tug prices lower. So unless we start to see some good business, which we don't see much of that on this report just yesterday, China actually canceled about 18,000 bales, so we don't have much hope for any type of significant business in the month of September. But we'll see. In the grains today, this is going to be sort of like a 4th of July weekend in that if it doesn't rain, come Tuesday we'll have a leg up in the grains. If it does indeed rain, then we may start the long descent to some type of harvest low. Certainly, December corn could shoot back up to 5.25 or start its motion down toward $4. November beans could certainly shoot back up to $14 or start a move down towards under 13, just depends on the rain. Now the rain, there's about a 30-40% chance for eastern Iowa, eastern Minnesota, but on the positive side of that, that means there's a 60% chance it won't rain. And judging by the close today where corn shot back up off its hiney to close a couple of cents higher, we were a little impressed with that. It certainly signals to us the market still has a lot of issues about what it needs to do and what it wants to do. And of course, again, it's predicated on the weather. So although it's Labor Day, it's really given the status of the crop. It's really the 4th of July. We may see some 4th of July fireworks come Tuesday. Over in the fuel today, we had a overnight decline in the crude oil when the British Parliament elected not to go into Syria with us. But later on, it looks like we're going to do something. So the crude oil market did come back up slightly higher, still trading a little bit right now, but pretty lackadaisical on late Friday. Let's see what Tuesday brings. We'll be closed Monday. We'll be back on here Tuesday. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.